So we are solving the question that says make a one view assembly drawing of the adjustable shaft support. Show the base in full section. A broken out section is recommended to show clearly the set screws in the yoke, and add part numbers to the assembly. Do not dimension and use scale 1 to 1. So I think the assembly drawing of this compiled together. Looking at the detailing, we've been told that this is our base, which is the main diagram, and we have our shaft, vertical shaft, which is part 2. Our part 2 is connected to part 1, which is our base, and part 3. The part 3 we have as the yoke, meaning that we're having the yoke above it, and then we have our bearings and bearing housing. For a quick guide on what we are going to do, we've been given a metric. This metric is like a guide on what we are actually drawing on. So we're going to be doing a one view drawing. Since a one view drawing, we're going to be definitely drawing the front.
Was it stated that it's a one view drawing?
Yeah, make a one view assembly drawing. So since a one view drawing, we're going to be making use of the front view, since our front view is supposed to be the most detailed view.
So if it's not a one view drawing, what's the then going to be?
So if it's a detailed drawing you're asked to do, you look at, would one view explain this drawing well? If one view can explain it very well, use one. If you need two views to explain it, use two.
I don't understand. Like I'm trying to say, if it's one view, you said if it's using one view, I'm going to use the front view,
Only
like
front
to get
view.
the full detailed drawing, like you said now. So I'm like, if they did not mention, like if it's not one view.
Yeah, if it's not mentioned as a one view drawing, it can be a working drawing or a detailed drawing. Working drawing and detailed drawing is still the same thing. You get? So when you're asked to do a working drawing, you're doing a front and one other view. You get?
Separately or together?
Yeah, so like your normal orthographic drawing stuff.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So moving on, we're starting from the B's. So with our horizontal line first, and let's go. A vertical line. We're given our height as 100. And the base, the bottom part is given an height of 8. Above we're given an height of 20. We're told that the center of the set screw is 1, and the set screw has a diameter of 1, so we're doing 0.5 up and 0.5 down. All this we're going to be projecting.
And I'm not seeing any of that here. So this is 0.5 set screw. I'm not seeing it.
So for horizontal measurements, all I just measured now was the base height, which is 8. Then at the top we can see a straight line here, and we're told that the height of this point is 20, having a center of 10. And we're told that this set screw is having a diameter 10, M10, meaning that it has a thickness of 10. So we're going to be measuring 5 up, 5 down. That's what this measure here. So moving on, we're doing our vertical. We've done our vertical measurements, so we're going to our horizontal measurements. So we're told that the top has a diameter 38 and a diameter 20. So that is using the radius, which is 1919.
From here to here is 20.
Yes.
Then that 20 divided into 2, that's 10.
10.
Then
For the
the
set
set
screw,
screw is what?
there's a diameter of 10. So we're using with like 5. So So that's why it's 0. 0.5, 0. 0.5, 0. 0.5, and 0.5. So moving on, we are told from the question that from the center to this point, we have a diameter 60, meaning that this circle underneath the base of this conical shape is 60. So we are using radius 30. So we have 30, 30. That's 30. So this should be connected. Yeah. And this connected here. Then at this point, see the straight line. Need to be connecting it straight down. Stopping at the point of 20 and same thing.
How are you connecting it? Okay, that's for the 10. Is it the shaft?
No, that's the top region. That's not this one. So the reason behind we connecting it is it's given as a straight line here and there's a straight detail in here, meaning that from here to here is a straight line before it goes in to form a slant line. Do you
But there's
understand?
a set screw inside now.
There's a set screw, yes. That's this part. We're still going to give that detail. So for the set screw, we have two lines, which is here and here. So please open the question again. Open the question. So
This butterfly is for 4.
it's given to us that this is 30, but that's a thickness of 5. So this thickness of 5 is going to be taken below and above here. Thank you. Sure. Yes. Taking 5 here. That's going to be connected. Same thing on this side.
This time is 4.5.
So meaning that at the top we're going to be connecting it. Here. And this at the top is going to be closed also. So on the bottom part, we're told the total length is 120, and from the center we're going to measure 44 and 8 to get the two centers for this curved part. So there is 60, 60 for 120. Then we measure 44. Then we measure 44, 8. From here to 44, 8. So, check this. This should be done in faint line, and this also in faint line. But let's remember they're just centers. So the question also states that this curved part is diameter 8, meaning that if we're measuring 4, 4, diameter 8. So we're using the radii for our measurement.
How is it affecting the base?
It's affecting the base because this is the center we measured, this line. If you look at it well, you see like the line. The two lines are the two center lines before the semicircle.
Oh,
So now
it's
the
not
distance,
cut now.
we're doing a section,
Eh,
a full section. So that means we're going to show this distance and this distance.
so are you saying that this knot with hole is also affecting the base here, or what?